In this video, I will be demonstrating muscular strength fitness assessments. The first assessment is a push-up assessment, and there are two types of push-ups, a modified push-up and a standard push-up. The goal for the push-up assessment is to perform as many push-ups without rest. Excel when pushing off from the floor. Hands should be shoulder-width apart and pointing forward. A straight back, head facing forward, elbows fully extended on up position, shin should touch the mat or floor, and stop test when proper form is not maintained within 2 repetitions. The first individual demonstrates a modified push-up and uses the knees as a pivotal point, and the second individual demonstrates a standard push-up. The number of push-ups done is the score. Next, I will be demonstrating the 1RM assessment test with the squat. The 1RM protocol is to warm up for 5 to 10 minutes with low-intensity aerobic exercise. Then perform a specific warm-up with several repetitions with a light load. Then select an initial weight that is within the perceived capacity of 50 to 70%. Then attempt a 1RM lift. If it is successful and there is more than one repetition done, rest approximately 3 to 5 minutes before the next trial. Then increase the resistance progressively by 2.5 to 20 kilograms until it cannot be completed. A 1RM should be obtained within 4 sets to avoid excessive fatigue. The 1RM is recorded as the heaviest weight lifted successfully through the full range of motion with proper form and technique. First, place the barbell appropriately and feet so you can start the squat. I did one set of 8 repetitions for the warm-up with 25 pounds on each side. To start the 1RM assessment, my initial weight was 50 to 70% perceived capacity, and I increased 5 pounds from my warm-up. If more than one squat was done in a proper form and technique, then this was not my 1RM. Again, one set of 8 repetitions was done. Next, I increased the weight by 5 pounds on each side. This was not my 1RM because I was able to complete one set of 8 repetitions. For my last set, I increased the weight by 5 pounds, and this was my 1RM because I completed only one squat with proper form and technique. To calculate strength to weight ratio, we would take the weight lifted from the 1RM divided by the body weight. In my case, I would divide 125, which is the 1RM I lifted, and 120 pounds, which is my body weight, and equals to 1.04. Next, I will explain why reps to fatigue is beneficial. This method is for sedentary, adolescents, and elderly populations. For this method, repetitions will be kept between 2 and 10. The use of a submaximal test is beneficial for untrained and sedentary individuals, as opposed to a maximal test, which is useful for trained and active populations. Next, the formula is to calculate an estimated 1RM. We divide the weight lifted and then divide by 2 given numbers, and X will be number of repetitions performed.